Hi, this is Unit 9 Retest Review Part 2, and we're picking up here on number 13 where we left off. And first on this problem, we recognize that these two are parallel, which means these are alternate interior angles, and those are equal to each other. And these are alternate interior angles, so those are equal to each other. This is going to tell us which sides go together. Namely, this side goes with this part right here, and this part is going to go with the 15. Now I put the 20 on top, so I have to put the 15 on top as well, and then this goes on the bottom. Now just like we said before, you have to put these in parentheses and write this stuff out 15 times this. I notice that a lot of people who are missing these are just skipping writing this step. Write it out so that you don't forget to distribute, because the people who are missing it are forgetting to distribute because they didn't write this step. So when you write it out, we get 15x. This is 135, that's 40, and that's 40. Be careful of your negative sign, don't lose the negative. Then minus the 15x. And then be very careful because a lot of people are also missing this. That's a minus, so I have to add the 40 on both sides. That cancels. Divide. And we get x. Okay, our next one, we have this part goes with this part. These parts go together, and these parts go together. Here I have the smaller one on top, so the smaller of these two is this part right here. So that's going to go on top. Again, put this in parentheses so you don't forget to do all your distributing. And then $27 × 64. Now I showed you how to do this, and I really recommend doing it. Divide by the 72 now. It makes this number smaller and easier to handle, which just gives us this. This is a much easier number to handle than if you multiply this out. So add the 4. And x equals 7. Okay. This one, here it doesn't give us any other indications of which parts go together, but this part is the longest part of the triangle, so it's going to go with this part that's the longest part of this triangle. So I'm going to put 20 with 28. And that means this part is going to go over that part. Put these in parentheses. 20. And just like I said before, be sure you write this stuff out, because a lot of people are skipping this step and then getting it wrong. And that's 84. $196 minus the 84. And then our very last one here, again, it doesn't tell you a lot of information about which parts go together. But what I do know is this side is the longer of these two, and this side is the longer of these two. So those are going to go together. So I'm going to put 36 over 27. And if I put this one on top here, I need to put this one on top. And then it's just the same thing. Put this in parentheses. We're going to distribute. And my calculator over here, because these are big numbers. 36 You can distribute this, or I'm going to divide. This canceled, leaving just this. This is 28. And that's it.